How to send HD high quality videos in WhatsApp. Now, this is actually very interesting, and I'm going to show you how to get this done. So first things first, I have this particular message right here, and I'm going to send it here. So I'm going to go ahead and tap this icon right here, and then choose the gallery, and then I'm going to go ahead and basically find that video that I want to send. And then from here, you can see above, it says they're HD. So as of the moment, this is only 5.3 MB. Now let's go ahead and tap HD and then choose HD quality down here below. So as you can see, after setting the video to HD, you will see now that it's now 11 MB. So isn't that amazing? Go ahead and click the send button if you are satisfied. And then another thing that you are going to see is this one right here. You can see that it has an HD icon down there, basically signifying that it is HD. And yep, that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.